Hi guys, welcome to this Moneycontrol live stream. You're watching Midday Market Mood Check with me, Nandita, Khemka, and my colleague Yatin Mota here. Well, Yatin, turning out to be a fabulous Friday for the Lal Street, given the fact that it's the second day of a triple-digit up move on the index. In fact, the Nifty was trading around that 19,250 mark last time I checked, and the Sensex has also managed to cross that 64,500 mark in intraday trade. Small caps, clear outperformance coming in there, and sectorally. Like yesterday, all the sectors are trading in the green, and among the top movers today, we have the likes of auto, realty pack once again, PSU banking pack also extending the stellar run that it saw yesterday, and even the private banks are participating. So all the sectors, as we speak, are trading in the green.
Yeah.
Yatin, the advanced decline ratio is also very healthy today.
Yes, absolutely, and it's almost 3:1,
Yeah.
and none of the sectors, Nandita, are trading with losses. So we have the real estate, media,
Yeah.
auto pack doing extremely well in trade, and as you were mentioning, the overall breadth of the market for the last 2-3 trading sessions has been improving every day.
Yeah, and if you look at the individual movers, of course, Tata Motors, after
Yeah.
the stellar show in the second quarter, they have increased the EBIT margins for JLR
Yes.
from 6% to 8%. And the street is clearly cheering that, even though it has cooled off from the day's high, at one point it was up somewhere around 4 to
Yeah.
5% on
Yeah.
the index. Aside of that, Yatin, if you look at brokerages, most of them, of course, have a buy rating. CLSA has a buy rating target price of 803 rupees. There's another brokerage, Jeffries, even that has a target price above 800 rupees per share. And JLR volumes in the second half, most of the brokerages believe would be the key catalyst going forward. So that's one stock that's buzzing. Apollo Hospital,
Yeah.
now that's the top Nifty gainer right now, given the fact that Morgan Stanley has initiated coverage with an overweight rating and the target price is somewhere around 6,100 rupees per share. It says that the FY24 to FY26 EBITDA CAGR of 31% is what Morgan Stanley is factoring in for Apollo Hospital. It also believes that Apollo 24/7 is expected to break even by FY26, and even the Healthco arm may achieve break even by
Yeah.
as early as Q4. So that's one stock that's reacting to the positive brokerage view. And the next stock that's on my list today in this afternoon is Titan, given the fact that it will be reporting earnings and expectations are that the PAT will see a marginal 1.9% rise on a YY basis, but revenues are expected to grow around 18%. But margins could see some bit of pressure, due to the late festive season. But aside of that, robust wedding and high value studded purchases may aid the second quarter performance nonetheless. But I think those were all the large caps that were on my list today. But what about the middle small cap stocks?
So, Apollo Hospital, I think, Nandita, that is one stock we need to mention in the Nifty, wherein good brokerage upgrades have been seen, and that stock is up 5%. We also have, the Adani Group stocks which are
Yeah.
doing well. Most of the Adani Group stocks are doing well. As far as mid-cap stocks are concerned, GM Finance, Network 18 are the stocks which are on the top gaining list for Nifty 500. Both these stocks up 7-8%. We also have JK Lakshmi Cement on the back of strong earnings. A 25% kind
Yeah.
of earnings growth is seen here, and post that number, the stock is up nearly 5.5%. What's also doing well is Dr. Lal Path Lab. Yesterday the numbers came in quite good numbers, good commentary. Stock moved up nearly 6% in trade today. We also have Ratnamani Metals on the back of good earnings. That stock is witnessing a 5% up move. Prestige Estates, Brigade Enterprises, Zomato ahead of earnings, Delta Corp, Godrej Properties, all of these stocks flying in trade anywhere up between 4 to 5%. What's not doing well is the likes of Suven Pharma. That stock is down 3%. Chola Finance, and the management gave slightly conservative commentary in the conference call just now, and post this conference call commentary wherein they are looking to really downsize the distribution network and really bring more systems and better IT infrastructure in place so that the lending business becomes more seamless and is not really moving in a direction wherein there could be bad loans moving forward. They have become less aggressive on the expansion plan, and probably because of that, the stock has moved down 5% intraday. Right now, down 3% from a gap of 2% opening. So, these are the stocks which are moving in trade today.
Well, of course, as you mentioned, I think we'll be watching out for numbers from Zomato and
Yeah.
Indigo as well in the second half of the session. But with that, I think we have covered most of the stocks that are buzzing in trade today. Of course, in the second half, we'll have to see whether or not we manage to end around these 19,250 levels or not. But with that, it's a wrap on this midday market mood check. Thanks a lot for tuning in. We'll of course be back with closing bell at 3:30 p.m. So don't forget to tune in for that. But for now, stay tuned to Money Control for all your other news and updates.